The open automation software Apache Kafka connector enables you to publish and read data from both local and remote cloud clusters, functioning as both a producer and a consumer. Data is transmitted using JSON payloads, triggered by events, changes in data, or continuously at specified intervals. JSON data can be parsed or constructed in real time within the OAS server itself for integration with external systems. When the store and forward feature is enabled, publishing data to Kafka experiences no data loss during network failures. All data is processed at the source and retained until successful delivery. The OAS store and forward feature retains data for an unlimited time, even after a system restart on both the data source and the destination. Setup and deployment are straightforward and can be fully automated with complete programmatic access via a .NET application or the OAS REST API. Additionally, OAS can utilize third-party worksheets using the CSV import feature. Data is processed on-premise with OAS running as an edge solution, maximizing accuracy and performance. All features of the OAS platform can utilize live data from Kafka for read and write operations. Employ the OAS data route feature for continuous or event-driven data transfer to local and remote Industry 4.0 systems. Publish data to third-party cloud systems with store and forward on network failures. Log data and alarms in an open format, ensuring no data loss during network failures with OAS Data Historian and Alarm Historian products. Utilize the OAS database connector to read data from local or remote databases and transfer values continuously or based on events from your controller. Create visualizations with no code required for reading and writing values in the Kafka cluster, trending data from Kafka, and displaying alarms. Unlock seamless programmatic access to third-party applications by leveraging the OAS.NET data connector or the intuitive built-in REST API. Embrace the potential for integration and expand your capabilities effortlessly. The OAS platform is an edge-deployed solution for Linux, Windows, Docker, and so efficient that the complete platform can run on hardware as small as a Raspberry Pi. Visit openautomationsoftware.com to view our knowledge base for easy-to-follow steps to connect to Apache Kafka. Download OAS to start your free trial today.